Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. The week ahead is going to see a lot more of this. You notice the melting that took place today. We've got a lot more of that into your Tuesday. Temperatures are likely to spike again tomorrow. Some spots around the area did get into the 60s today. I think more of us do it tomorrow, and we're going to have the opportunity to melt. Scattered rain showers come in and also help try to wash some of this stuff away. An isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out either as the cold front works through tomorrow evening to take away all of this warmth. We'll be seasonable through mid and late parts of the week, which is near average for us. Still some daytime highs above freezing, overnight lows close to it. Then we're watching a bigger weekend system that's going to come in and try to bring the possibility of maybe some heavier rainfall at times over your Valentine's Day or even into Sunday. Now we've got high temperatures from today, almost 50 here in Lexington and Frankfort, some 50s along 64 eastward. You go south, you got some 50s in the mix right away, and then some mid 60s in far southern Kentucky. Part of this is due to higher snowpack, less snowpack, and that does affect temperatures often during this time. When we get the melting to go, though, we probably go warmer tomorrow as warm air lifts further north as well. Now, with that tonight, plenty of temperatures are already dropping near or even close to below freezing, and so what that means is anything that's melted could refreeze. Some patchy fog, which would be freezing fog if temperatures are below freezing, could lead to the opportunity for some patchy black ice to form across the area as we head into tomorrow morning's commute. Quickly taken care of by the high temperatures breaking near 60 tomorrow, mid to upper 50s. That might stick in Lexington as well. It's really going to be highly dependent on just how far north the warmth gets, but nonetheless, we see lots of 60s and possibly a 70 break free in southern Kentucky tomorrow, thanks to some breezy winds out of the southwest, 10 to 20, maybe even 25 miles an hour to keep things moving along nicely. As we get into the afternoon, though, we'll be watching for the cold front to swing through, and once it does, temperatures, they jump back down to where we're supposed to be for this time of the year. Average high 45. We go a lot of that as we get into the rest of this week. Near and above it towards the weekend again. Some overnight lows back below freezing. But before all that takes place, we're watching this low and the frontal features that are with it moving through into tomorrow. What that means is a mixture of cloud cover early opens us back up to some sunshine, and then mostly cloudy takes over again through the latter part of the day. Here's the line of showers that is going to try to pop up for us as we get into Tuesday. Late evening, mainly supper time and later, it pushes to the southeast and lingers there past 10, 11 o'clock. Some stray showers in the mix too. And again, some of that could come in the form maybe with an isolated thunderstorm or two in the mix as it comes in. That's wave one. Now we go wave two, late Thursday into Friday. That one cold enough to possibly have rain and or snow. Looks minimal in terms of impact so far. Then the next big thing is that weekend system for us. That one could bring some heavier bouts of rain, maybe even looking at an inch or more just from that little system itself over your weekend. So plenty to keep an eye on. The warmer temperatures tomorrow, do enjoy them. We'll go back to normal from there on out.